Welcome folks, William Caleb Rogers back at you again with another video, and today is our Profits Passport review. And if you just want to skip ahead and get right to it, to the actual opportunity, you can go ahead to instantcashfunnel.com. But what I'm going to do is just show you a couple of proof and results, because that's what you want to see. Does this thing really work, and what exactly is inside of it? So the first thing that we want to discuss is exactly what is the Profits Passport. Profits Passport is an affiliate marketing system. It's simple. It's an affiliate marketing system. And for those who don't understand affiliate marketing, just to sum it up in a nutshell, it's you earning a commission from the sale of products that you don't even own. And in this case, the products is in the e-learning industry. It's over a $6 billion a year industry, and it's e-learning. Well, what is e-learning? E-learning is simply these websites that you see that you go and log into, and it has a lesson. It may be a learning site about cooking. It may be a learning site about how to fix your piping in your zinc. It may be a learning site about what's the best way to cut your hair. There's all kind of different e-learning sites that teach you different things via the internet, online, via our website. You just log in again, you click the lesson you want to learn, and on comes a video tutorial explaining that particular lesson. For the Profits Passport, the e-learning industry that we are in is the online business arena, teaching people how to better utilize the online space for their business. And whenever anyone comes in and buys a training, you will get the commission. And in this case, the commission is instant, meaning right at the point of sale, you immediately get paid. You don't wait a week. You don't wait 2 weeks. You don't wait 30 days. You don't wait 4 months. None of that. You get paid instantly. So what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and first take a look at the unique group that's set up for Profits Passport. Is a group on Facebook ran by the actual owner and designer of the Profit Passports, and his name is Mr. David Deacle. So let's go ahead and take a look here. 1 second while we pull it up, and here it is. And as you can see, he has a big message here that says, I do the work, you make the commissions. Well, what is he saying here? What he's saying here is he's actually set up a system called Profits Passport, and this review that I'm doing is going to go into this system, and he has it strategically lined up where once a person, a visitor comes in, it's set up to where he does the selling for you. He actually introduces the person into the affiliate marketing arena. He explains to them how it works, how they get paid, and he very carefully and gently proceeds to walk them into setting up the system for them. And it all happens seamlessly behind the scenes without you having to talk to anyone. That's why he says he'll do all the work for you. Now let's take a look at some of the things. Look at it. Just recently, you see Anton Amato received a $500 payment for something called the Vertex Elite. Now what's that? We're going to go into that. People are congratulating. I'll go ahead and give them a like. Kurti Patel made a $100 payment. Something called the Elevation Elite. These are all programs, by the way, that are built in within the Profits Passport. Because what you're going to see when you go to instantcashfunnel.com and you register for the webinar where David Deacle himself goes into it, and what you're going to see at the bottom of that webinar is you're going to see there are actually 6 income streams there. Income streams that directly deal with the things you will need to succeed in affiliate marketing. And look at here. A power line payment just came in for Shabir Ahmed Khan. In fact, 2 payments just came in for him. A $100 payment for Doreen. A $300 payment for Jeff Ruiz. Look at this, all these payments, and just look at the time frame. This is recent. This is all day, every day, 24/7. Another $374 for Nate and 25 cents. Another $125 for Nate. Paulo, $298.50 in the bag. A $2,251 day for Nicholas Lai. He's really been killing it. And you'll be taught how to kill it too. You'll be taught how to make these commissions, which actually you're not going to be doing anything. David is going to be doing all the work. Doing all the work for you. Just go to instantcashfunnel.com and you'll see. Another $250 today. A $2,000 payment. Yes, you can make as high as $2,000 per transaction, and that's instant sales. This isn't something that was broken down over weeks. That was in one payment. It's all within instantcashfunnel.com. And this Profits Passport review is just showing you the proof, showing you evidence that we have people making this back to back. And these are instant payments, folks. Instant payments. Back to back. One person after another. Sam Randall at the top of the leaderboard for one of the big affiliate programs that are within the Profits Passport review system. Goes on and on and on. On and on and on. On and on. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead and go to that instantcashfunnel.com right now and show you what you're about to see yourself. Go ahead and type it in. instantcashfunnel.com. Let's see here. And you're going to come across a page that looks similar to this. It might look a little different because David Deagle is always testing pages and optimize them for the most conversions, ensuring you'll always have the page that gets the most signups and hence the most instant cash payments to you, right? So you're coming to a page that looks kind of like this, and you'll see there but it says who else wants to make up to $2,000 cash payments delivered to your mailbox or instantly, and I do the work. You make all the commissions. Of course, this is David Deacle speaking. I'm not doing the work for you. He is. He's doing the work for you and me. Your only job is just to get people to this page. And you can start your journey right now at instantcashfunnel.com right after you're done with this quick Profits Passport review here. You'll just enter your main email. Better to use a Gmail if you got it. If you got a Gmail email address, it's just best. That way you'll get the latest updates right to you without any of the email filter drama that's been going on in the industry. Hit yes. Show me how this works. And when you do that, you'll come to a page that looks similar to this one. It's going to be the actual webinar. David Deacle has a quick little webinar where he goes into extreme detail of how you set this system up for yourself and what you need to do. And once you set up the income streams, you come to this page. It says income stream number 1. You simply sign up, create your account, put in your particular ID there, hit save, boom. Go to the next one, put in your ID, hit save, boom. The next one, put in your ID, hit save, boom. The next one, put in your ID, hit save, boom. The next one, same thing. Same thing, folks. That's all you do. That's all you do. But it all starts at instantcashfunnel.com. And that's pretty much it for the Profits Passport review. You're going to come on in. You're going to go to instantcashfunnel.com. put in your email, watch the webinar, do exactly what he tells you to do, boom! And everything is built in, because these additional income streams here that at the bottom that you're setting up, they are actually the same tools and resources that are needed to get people to your particular page, to get people to your particular Profits Passport starting page. It's all built in. That's the beauty of it. Everything is built in and synergistically interwoven to attract just the right person that is interested in a work from home opportunity that is going to produce instant cash straight to you at the point of sale. That's it, folks. Go ahead to instantcashfunnel.com right now. Start the journey. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.